Give us a tune, Spence.
It goes.
It goes what? It doesn't matter how nice I make them, you always end up breaking them.
Just getting the warranty claim on the downpipe.
What you doing, Freddy?
Bend it.
Bend the downpipe. Extreme and muffin session there. And it pulls.
Pull strong, bro.
Very, very good.
Whoa, what the fuck was that?
What?
Bend it.
Bend the downpipe.
Bend it. Bend it. Bend it.
So we're gonna bend it back. Tiny, tiny. It doesn't matter how nice I make them, you always end up breaking them.
Tell you what, you're putting out a button off. You done your magic work here?
Oh, just fixing your shit again, you know.
Fixing what you broke. Also, what I broke.
Hey, correct maintenance before you get your car mapped.
Oh, yeah.
Still got a little bit of a pancake on it, hasn't it? Still pretty though. And all of this because you didn't do your dogbone bolts up there. You didn't. You did. Right. Maybe one of them. It used to fit, but no, I can't.
That one.
You know, when the Titanic broke up. It's not.
Aye.
Right. Sounds kind of good now.
Right, I'm mopping it again.